Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to make sweet capelli. Firstly, add butter to the pan and let it melt. Now crush 5 bunches of the pasta and add them to the pan. Cook them until they are golden brown. Then add 7 more bunches. Cook them until they are golden brown. Now add the milk, the sugar and the condensed milk. Let it boil. Put it on low heat and let it simmer. Cook it to the consistency you like. Either you can have it really runny or quite thick. Grate some almonds on top. I really hope you like this quick and easy recipe. Please subscribe for more. I upload every week. Bye!